Every cycling journey has many different road conditions. To make it more stable and comfortable anytime, anywhere, we have designed a whole new system and we call it the AIR SEAT. The AIR SEAT is a fully floating cushion shock absorber. It spares the wobble from the front and rear wheels, which forms a complex balance mode to the bicycle saddle. The AIR SEAT can absorb any vibration of up and down, back and forth, 360 degree to achieve an all-round shock absorption. This innovative AIR SEAT is purely made of solid aluminum with highly reliable stability and durability. No matter if the road is uneven or bumpy, we can still ride with comfort, just like being on a runway. The AIR SEAT is suitable and compatible to all kinds of bicycles. It is perfectly universal and can be easily installed to be part of your saddle, pushing the definition of shock absorption to another level. From now on, we can ride with this whole new system for even better and more comfortable cycling experience. With the AIR SEAT, always a smooth journey.